Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, so today I have a pretty cool thing that I'm gonna build. All right, so it's a doorbell ringer. Yeah, it's not anything surprising, all right, but stay with me. All right, so what does it do? I got you. Look, you can put this on top of your door, okay, and whenever anyone enters the proximity of your door, okay, from the outside, you will hear a ding. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, and you got like 2 seconds to react earlier, but hey, it works, better than nothing. And make it, portable by sticking two AA batteries in that and you're chilling. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Psych. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm missing a component. This. This is your key to success, okay? So, with that in mind, so this is what you need. I'll make it cooler. Let's go. First, the Arduino, the mastermind behind anything you can ever build. All right. So yeah, there's that. A red to green dual wielding LED light. Okay, now this is amazing. You know how easy it is, like, or how easy this makes your life in electronics. Like instead of sticking like five LEDs, you can have like two or three that do the same thing. It's a lifesaver. And the breadboard. Of course, you got your wires. Here's another one. The thing that makes it work, your ultrasonic sensor, or what I like to call your scapegoat for various reasons. And last but not least, your speaker, okay? This thing is pretty simple. If you guys don't know how to make it or put it, it's got 2 pins, so yeah, I'll walk you guys through it. So let's get to it. All right, so first off, you got your nice looking RGB LED. All right, so right here you have to gamble because I do not know which side is red and which side is green, so let's hope I don't get it wrong. First one, pin 5, take pin 5. Ooh. Second one, you take it to pin 6. All right, there we go. Pin 5 and pin 6 secured. All right, that should be right. Now, for the interesting stuff. Okay, so we got our little sensor here. All right, plug that in. So, ground to ground, pretty obvious. Which I need more. So, take the 5 volt, all right, and put it to the VCC, which is right over here. All right. Put the loosey-goosey one back on ground. This one fell off, so whatever. All right, now take your trig, all right, and put it to pin 9. Simple as that. Boom, there we go. All right. Now, obviously ground to ground, which is on the very left, and the echo to pin 10, which I could use a tiny little guy here and put him on 10. Get in there. Oh, okay, well, that'll work. So, yeah. Ground baby goes to, let me see, where's the ground at? Where you at, ground? There you are. All right, so it should look like a big old mess when you're done with it. Wish I could make it look better, but this is just a prototype, so you gotta live with it. Even though it's a big mess, it's fine. All right, so after you put everything together, you have one last thing, which is the speaker. Nice. Okay, so connect your hot to pin 3. And honestly, you can connect them to any pin you really want. It's honestly about the code. And for me, this is what I'm doing. And yeah, so ground to ground again, which is right here. I am not mistaken. There we go. Beautiful. It's an interesting prototype, but it shall do. All right, let's get to the code. Dude, I didn't even do anything to it. Look what it's doing. Do you guys hear that? That's so satisfying. Oh, that's satisfying. All right, go to your amazing Arduino. Choose your Arduino Uno. And yeah, just go with all this. Take that all out. Yeah. And voila! Whoa! Yeah, that's it pretty much. And then boom. All you need right now is to confirm it. It is confirmed. And now just upload it. Oh, look at that. It worked. Okay, it's not stopping. Hey, chill out. Well, this isn't good. It's gonna piss you off. All right, back to fixing the code. Well, I'm gonna take a look at this and see what is wrong. All right, boys, moment of truth. You gotta connect a little speaker here. Come on, get in there. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, so if I move my hand, it should ding. All right, if I get in the vicinity, it should ding once, turn green, and then stop. And that pisses me off. Hold up. And it works. There we go. Nice and easy fix. Nice and easy fix. Now it should work. I've reached peak calm state, Buddha state, peak nonchalantness. This rage bait shall not. Now if it works, I shall have ultimate pleasure. Let's see. Actually, I want to show you guys my hand moving. Heck yeah. Now let's test how far away it goes. All right, so as you guys can tell, that's right there. I walked past it and it dinged. It's quite annoying, but whatever. You guys can change to any like ringtone you guys want, so yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's test it from close up. Perfect. Perfect. This is the break point. Right here. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so this shut up. Dang. All right. This is how close you can get to it. Right here. All right, right there. Right there. That is roughly about, give or take, 3 or 4 feet. If you attach this contraption right here, up here, it would ring right here, around right here, which, unless somebody's going, you know, which they won't, it should give you about 5 seconds. And to be honest, you don't even have to like put it up on the door. If you're smart, you can put it on the ceiling. All you really need to change this into a breadboard, or from a breadboard into an actual like tiny component, you'll need one of those like green boards. If you've seen my videos, you know what I'm talking about, the green board with a bunch of little pins. All right, so yeah, I'm not really going to be using this because, well, I don't really have anyone that comes in my room and I don't have anything to hide. So yeah, that's why I made it into a breadboard. You know, it's a nice piece of work, right? Right, guys? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and for your like and subscribe, you get amazing content. Come on, come on. What are we doing here? All right. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be leaving the code in the description if possible. And if the description can, if the code can be applied in the description, all you guys need to do is copy and paste and make your own, and bam, you guys are wowed. There we go. Oh crap, stop. Annoying ass thing. Honestly, it's perfect for rage bait. Come on. I'm not even joking. It hurts my ears.